Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money from blogging and how to make money fast from blogging and go from $0 to $1,000 a day with no more than 5 to 10 minutes of work. And I'm able to use this formula to kill 3 birds with 1 stone. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you slam the subscribe button, because right now I'm uploading videos on a daily basis teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And go ahead and slam the like button, because we're going to deliver just tons and tons of value for you. I'm completely transparent in all my videos, and I want to give you guys kind of an inside look under the hood of my business on a daily basis. You guys are witnessing the growth of my business live and in action. So with that said, you guys can see that I'm right here on my blog here, and I'm going to show you how I go about this formula, how I'm able to blog daily, get money without actually doing any of the blogging myself. So we're going to head over to my blog, and I'm going to go to a recent blog post. Let's go to this one down here. And this might look familiar to some of you guys, okay? Basically what I did is I shot a YouTube video based around this subject, how to make money with ClickBank affiliate marketing. And what I did is I had this video transcribed, okay? In other words, I hired somebody to go through the video and transcribe the whole entire video. And then I took that transcription and I put it on my blog and made a few edits to it. And now because I did that, I'm able to rank at the top of Google for how to make money with ClickBank affiliate marketing, as well as rank in YouTube. So you can see this video right here. All I did was I created this video, right? I uploaded it to YouTube, and I took this URL at the top. This is the URL of the video. And I went over to this website called rev.com. Okay, I've talked about this in other videos. You can have transcriptions done for $1 per minute. So all you need to do is click, right here, and then you'll click Get Started. And then all you got to do is paste your YouTube URL right there, click Add, and then you'll pay, by the minute. So if your video is 15 minutes long, you'll pay 15 bucks. If it's 5 minutes long, you'll pay 5 bucks. And it's usually done within the day. Usually it takes them about a few hours to transcribe it, and then you can upload it on your website, on your blog, and then you can optimize that article, for SEO purposes, and then rank for affiliate marketing. In my case, I'd be ranking for, how to make money with ClickBank affiliate marketing, and I'd rank in Google, and then I'd also rank in YouTube, right? So you can see that I'm killing 2 birds with 1 stone. I'm actually deriving traffic from Google search engine by taking the transcription, putting it on the blog, and I'm also getting traffic from YouTube because of my video. And then you can actually take it to the next level, and you can have your video turned into an audio and upload it as a podcast. All you need to do, and this is kind of a bonus for you guys, all you need to do is go to Google and type in download YouTube audio. And all you got to do is go here. There's plenty of converters out there. And then what you'll do is you'll just paste the YouTube URL there and click start. And it's that easy. Once you download the audio, you can then upload it to iTunes. You can upload it to Libsyn, which is a podcast platform as well. There's tons of other websites that you can syndicate onto as well and share around the internet. But I'll be talking about that in a little bit more detail in another video. But I want to show you guys the power of being able to create one piece of content and then create multiple pieces of content that you can upload on different social media platforms. I could even make this video a little bit smaller, right? I could take like the main points of this video, and maybe the main points would add up to about 2 minutes max. And then I could upload that, video to Facebook, because typically the attention on Facebook isn't, and the behavior is different. It's not as, the attention is not as long as it would be like on YouTube. So you want to make sure that your videos are a lot shorter. So, I could take this video, make it smaller, upload it to Facebook. I could take the transcription, upload it to my blog, get traffic from the search engines, from Google, You know, I could throw it up on Instagram. I mean, there's so many different things that you could do. So this is the power. This is what the master marketers do, is they're able to create multiple streams of traffic from creating just one piece of content, okay? So it's very, very easy, this process. I would just start by, you know, getting your video transcribed, you know, taking that transcription, uploading it to your blog, right? If you got a blog, make sure you do that. And then inside your blog post, you can actually have multiple calls to action, right? So right here, I have a call to action that goes to a funnel. It goes to a website, right? And this website basically goes through a sales process. So that's the whole idea, is you want to get people from these social media platforms to your products, to your services, whether affiliate products or they're your own products. That's the whole purpose of having content on social media. We want, at the end of the day, we want to give them value up front, and then we want to get them, you know, we want to warm them up, and we eventually want to get them down our sales funnel. Okay. So there's also other techniques and strategies that I can't really cover in this video, or else this video would be long. I know most of my videos are pretty dang long. We want to keep this one short. But I made some edits to this post. You know, they'll transcribe the you knows and the ums and the ahs. And so you want to make sure that you take a lot of those out, and like run-on sentences, and sometimes you repeat yourself. So you want to make, you know, your blogs easy to read, your articles easy to read. So you might need to go in and do some light editing after your, you know, video is transcribed. But it took me about, you know, 5 to 10 minutes to do, very easy. And then I added some, you know, subheadings and broke everything up, and then added these calls to action. So that's pretty much the process, you guys, is, you know, taking one piece of content, creating multiple pieces of content, and just, you know, spreading your content across the internet using creative ways like this. So with that said, if you got value from this video, please, you know, give me a like, subscribe to this video. And most importantly, if you want to learn how to do all this stuff, if you really want to build a successful, profit-driven online business, there's going to be a link in the description, a program that I recommend highly that will show you how to build an online business from scratch. This is going to teach you everything that you need to know. So with that said, hope you enjoyed this video. Again, like, subscribe, check out the resources section below, check out my top recommended program, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.